Hey there everybody, it's Keith from Crypto Coin Mindset. I hope all is well with you for today. Today is January 24th, 2019, and there's a lot of news going on out there in the crypto space, so let's get right to it. As always, we'll start off right here on Crypto Compare. Take a quick look at the market. So as you can see, Bitcoin is still trading in a channel. Basically, we've been going between 3,300 and 3,700. We've been doing that channel pretty much now for, a couple of weeks, I guess. Most market analysis shows that the overarching bear trend is still providing enough downward pressure to send us, another leg down. And in my opinion, and in the opinion of many, sub 3,000. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen tomorrow, by the way, but I do believe sometime within the next couple of months. However, there are some analysts out there that believe that we've pretty much bottomed out and we're in some form of a consolidation pattern at this time. And honestly, the next move, whenever that happens to come, is going to be in an upward fashion. Now, this opinion, to a very small degree, plays into the first item that I have in the news for today. So let's get straight to it. You may have already heard that the CBOE has withdrawn its proposal for its Bitcoin ETF. Now, when the proposal was initially withdrawn, VanEck Director of Digital Asset Strategy, Gabor Gurbex, said that the filing, quote, has been temporarily withdrawn. Now, since that initial announcement, we're learning a little bit more about this, quote, temporary withdrawal. In an interview with CNBC's Bob Pistani, Gurbex said, quote, "So you know the SEC is affected by the shutdown. We were engaging with discussions with the SEC about Bitcoin-related issues, custody, market manipulation, prices, and that had to stop. And so, instead of trying to slip through or something, we just had the application pulled, and we will refile and re-engage in discussion when the SEC gets going again," unquote. Now, many people in the cryptocurrency space, and I'll be honest, to a very small degree, quite frankly, myself included, expected that after the news of the ETF withdrawal, the price of Bitcoin would probably fall through the floor. Now, I'm pleasantly surprised to be able to report to you that that was not the case. The price did briefly drop, as you can see in this chart. There was a little wick down. Now, everyone in the space is posing their own opinions as to why this happened, or, in this case, didn't happen. Such as the sentiment from some of the analysts I mentioned just a moment earlier. That Bitcoin is near its bottom. So there's pretty much nowhere else for it to go at this point. Now I guess it's my turn to offer you my opinion. Why not? In a previous video, when we were talking to you about these pending ETFs, one of the things we mentioned was how some people in the space were of the opinion that the approval of these ETFs would be the catalyst that would propel the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space into the next bull run. Well, I also mentioned at that point in time in that video that it was my opinion that that was not going to be the case. I felt that it would have little to no effect on the price of Bitcoin, which is why, even though I kind of expected it to drop after this news, I wasn't surprised when it didn't. Now, all things being equal, it's still of my opinion that these ETFs will have no effect on the price. Personally, what I believe is that my thought process was probably correct. And in my own opinion again, the fact of the matter to me is that there was no appreciable decline in Bitcoin's price after this delay announcement. That only helps to prove my point. Am I right? Who knows? And I guess, who really cares? I'm just some guy on YouTube, right? Moving on. So how about this for setting a record? Our current bear market is just a few weeks away from being the longest bear trend in Bitcoin's 10-year history. The record was set back in 2014 when the bear trend lasted for 420 days. As of the recording of this video, we're at 398 days. Okay, enough about bear trends. Let's move on to something a little more positive. So how about this news from Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania's Department of Banking and Securities clarified its position on exchanges of cryptocurrency after a number of business inquiries. Basically, the department stated that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are not money. So the state's Money Transmission Business Licensing Law and the Money Transmitter Act did not apply to cryptocurrency trading platforms. So there you go. It may not be what some people wanted to hear, but at least now in Pennsylvania anyway, there's further clarification. We'll put a link to their clarification in the description below so you can go read that for yourself. All right. Now, when I read this, I was like, holy crap. Cryptocurrency is moving to Hollywood. So in this article here on Bitcoin.com, they explain how actor Kevin Connolly from the HBO series Entourage is helping to bring cryptocurrency to Hollywood. Basically, what they're doing is putting together a new TV series called Cryptos. Basically, the story is about a young startup trying to launch a cryptocurrency-fueled entertainment platform. Now, I took the time to watch the trailer, and after doing that, I'm not exactly sure that I believe that this is going to show cryptocurrency and blockchain in the best possible light. But, hey, I'll put a link to the entire video trailer in the description below so you can go watch it and make up your own mind. In the meantime, let me show you a little bit of it right now.
So what type of film are you in for?
What if we built our own company? You know rappers like to rock chains, rock chains, knock 'em out the box, out my box, man. Key ring full of water.
Right now, my dreams are all about euros and dollars.
Okay, so make sure you take the time to go check out the rest of that trailer, and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I'd like to take a quick minute to say thank you to all of our subscribers. Thank you for watching this video. We really appreciate you. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tick that bell so you can get notified when we put out a new video. That's going to be all for today, folks. Thank you for watching again, and we'll see you soon. Take care. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd like to take a quick moment to ask you to give this video a like. It definitely helps our channel. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and then tick that little bell. That'll make sure that you get notified anytime we post a new video. Now, if you've been watching our videos, you know we don't put any of those silly ads on our videos. You know, the ones that you have to sit there and watch before you can see the content that people put out. However, we do have some affiliate links in our description below. I encourage you to check those out. We only put links to things that we use or invest in. And by using those links, it will help support the channel and allow us to keep putting out more great content. That being said, I hope all the investments you make are great. If you're a trader, I hope all your trades are profitable. And stay tuned for more crypto market updates. Take care.